What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are currently in the market for a new gaming computer, you have probably realized that finding the right balance between stunning aesthetics, reliable performance, and an affordable price tag can feel completely overwhelming. It is no secret that building a custom PC from scratch can be a daunting, confusing, and highly expensive endeavor, especially if you are a beginner who just wants to plug in and play. That is exactly where the machine we are looking at today comes into the picture. Today we are taking an exhaustive deep dive into the STGAubron Gaming PC, specifically the ABR 1722 model. This sleek, all-white RGB illuminated machine has been turning a lot of heads online lately, and we are going to determine if it truly lives up to the hype and whether it deserves a spot on your desk. First things first, let's talk about the design and the unboxing experience, because the very first thing that strikes you when you pull this machine out of the box is its gorgeous aesthetic. In a pre-built market that is completely saturated with generic, boring, and bulky black towers, the crisp white chassis of this STGAubron PC is a massive breath of fresh air. It is clean, it is modern, and to be completely honest with you, it looks significantly more expensive than it actually is. Usually, budget-friendly PCs look and feel cheap, but the build quality here feels remarkably solid. What truly elevates this look to the absolute next level are the cooling fans. You get 6, yes, I repeat, 6 RGB fans pre-installed right into the case. You have 3 fans dominating the front panel, 2 exhausting heat out of the top, and 1 in the back. Not only do they provide the necessary airflow to keep your internal components running efficiently under heavy loads, but they also create a vibrant, customizable light show that makes the entire tower pop. Whether your gaming room is dark with moody purple neon lights, or you have a bright, minimalistic, modern office space, this white tower integrates seamlessly. It isn't just a computer, it serves as a literal centerpiece for your gaming setup. Oh, and I cannot forget to mention that it comes with an RGB backlit keyboard and mouse right inside the box, meaning you do not have to drop extra cash on peripherals just to get started. But as we all know in the gaming community, looks aren't everything. A PC can look like a spaceship, but if it can't run your favorite games, it's just an expensive paperweight. So what exactly matters is what's on the inside. Under the hood, this machine is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5500 processor. Now, this is a 6-core processor with a base clock speed of 3.6 GHz, and it has the capability to boost all the way up to 4.2 GHz when you need that extra push. What does that mean for you in the real world? It means this CPU is a total workhorse. Whether you're opening 50 tabs in Google Chrome for a research project, typing up a school essay, running business applications, or encoding a video for your own YouTube channel, this processor handles multitasking effortlessly. It manages everyday tasks without breaking a single sweat, making it a fantastic hybrid machine for both work and play. Now let's move on to the most important component for any gamer, the graphics card. This system comes equipped with the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 6 GB of GDDR6 VRAM. This is a massive deal, especially at this price point, because having a dedicated GPU means your system memory isn't being drained to render your games. I tested this setup on some of the most popular titles out there right now to see how it holds up. If you play competitive esports titles like Valorant, Counter-Strike, Fortnite, Apex Legends, or League of Legends, this PC is going to absolutely crush them at 1080p resolution. You are going to get high, stable frame rates that are crucial for competitive gaming. But what about heavier games? Well, thanks to NVIDIA's incredible DLSS technology, which uses AI to boost your frame rates without sacrificing visual quality, you can even play demanding AAA titles. You might need to tweak the settings to medium or high instead of ultra, but the gameplay remains incredibly smooth and enjoyable. And through all of this testing, the system stayed quiet, with those 6 RGB fans doing an incredible job of keeping the temperatures completely under control. To back up that solid processor and graphics card combination, STGAubron has outfitted this PC with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. Right now, 16 GB is the absolute industry standard sweet spot for modern gaming. It provides enough overhead so you can run your game, keep your Discord app open to chat with your friends, have Spotify playing your favorite music in the background, and maybe even keep a stream open on a second monitor without experiencing annoying stuttering or system crashes. When it comes to storage, nothing kills the mood of a late-night gaming session quite like a slow computer and long loading screens. This PC solves that by including a massive 1 terabyte solid-state drive. Games these days are incredibly large, often taking up over 100 gigabytes each. With a full terabyte of NVMe-style storage, you have plenty of room to download your entire Steam library, save your gameplay clips, and store all your personal files. More importantly, this fast storage means your pre-installed Windows 11 home operating system will boot up in literal seconds. You press the power button and you are on your desktop almost instantly. You spent way less time staring at loading screens and far more time actually playing the games you love. Let's also quickly touch on connectivity, because that is where a lot of budget PCs cut corners. Not here. You are completely covered with modern Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 built right in. This means you can easily connect your wireless gaming headsets, Bluetooth controllers, and get super fast, stable internet download speeds without needing to route a long, ugly Ethernet cable all the way across your house. If you do prefer to stay wired for absolute minimum latency, you have all the necessary ports, including HDMI and DisplayPort interfaces, that easily support multiple monitors and up to 4K resolution displays. And if you are worried about the future, the motherboard supports upgrading the RAM up to 32 gigabytes, so 2 or 3 years down the line, if you feel you need a little more power for heavy video editing, you can simply pop in some new RAM sticks. This kind of longevity makes the initial price point feel incredibly justified. So, taking all of this into consideration, who exactly is this PC for, and is it actually worth your hard-earned money? A lot of people fall into the trap of thinking they need to spend $3,000 or $4,000 to get a good computer gaming experience. That is simply a myth. This STGAubron Gaming PC is explicitly designed for the entry-level gamer transitioning from a console, the busy student who needs a reliable machine for homework and entertainment, and the aspiring content creator looking for an affordable setup to start their streaming journey. It provides massive peace of mind because it arrives completely built, tested, and ready to go out of the box, saving you the stress of worrying about component compatibility or accidentally breaking expensive parts during assembly. Looking at the thousands of positive customer reviews and its high ranking on Amazon, it is clear that this model is a verified, proven piece of hardware that delivers on its promises. It offers a premium look, fantastic 1080p performance, and incredible overall value. If you want to check the current pricing, read some of those customer reviews for yourself, or go ahead and grab one for your own setup, I've placed the official Amazon link right at the very top of the description below. Click that link to see if there are any special sales or discounts running right now. If you found this video helpful in making your decision, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Drop a comment letting you know what games you plan on playing first, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tech reviews just like this one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy gaming!